Being the victim of a bully is truly a horrible experience. Feelings of hurt and anger from someone shaming you and or making you to feel bad, ugly, and no good. Bullies aren't just kids. Bullies can be adults too. I was in a very bad abusive relationship. My trauma was severe. I reached out to rebuild my self-esteem, reclaim my self-worth, to rebuild who I am, and to stop believing the lies that my abuser was telling me about myself, that I somehow became, not only just a victim of, but I believed it. And it was shocking to many. And I was really afraid to tell people what I was going through. The reason that I became the self-esteem coach that I am today, and that I teach women and empower women and men to rise above and to live your life according to who you are. And in order to do that, you have to really dig deep and realize that you are amazing. You're beautiful. You're enough. You're phenomenal. And that you don't need to take this shit from anybody anymore. It's not okay to allow people to abuse you.